Now, this channel makes about $62,000 every single month. And if I come over to popular, and here you can see that their popular videos are getting millions and millions of views. This one is 40 million views, and this one is 33 million views, this one is 27 million views, this one is 26 million views, and on and on and on. Now let's go ahead and click on the video and see what the video looks like. Now, as you can see here, the video is all about text message conversations, and the shocking part is that you can generate a video like this in less than 2 minutes. And you've seen how much this channel is making on a monthly basis. Now let me take you on another trip to another channel. Now this channel, I Joke. Now this channel is a similar channel to the one I just showed you, but the difference is that this one is built for shorts and shorts alone. Now why I love this one to the previous one is that you can repurpose the content. You can share the content on TikTok, on Instagram, on Facebook, and make money across all the social platforms. Now, how much this channel makes is going to shock you. Now, I'm going to take you on a trip to Social Blade so that we can see how much iJoke makes on a monthly basis. Now, if I come over to Social Blade, you can see that this is iJoke, and you can see that they make about $26,000 every single month. Now, what if this is you? What if this can be you? Because in this video, I'm going to be teaching you everything that you need to know on how to generate a content like this and even more. Now, the best part about this niche is that you can share the same content on all platforms like TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, even X, and then YouTube Shorts, and make money from all platforms. Now, let me show you a TikTok account that shares a similar type of content, and this will blow your mind. Now, if I come over here, you can see texty.stories.daily. Now, this TikTok page, all they do is share text message conversation stories, and it's blowing up. And as you can see, this is their latest video, and it has gotten 10,000 views. This one 21,000 views. This one 383,000 views. Now, let me blow your mind. If you come over to popular, you can see that they get as high as 12 million views. Now, how cool is this? And all they do is to share text message conversation stories, and that's all. Now let's even play one of the videos to see how it looks. Okay.
Hey, we need to break up.
What? Why? Did something happen? Did I do something wrong?
No, my love, you're perfect.
Now you can see how easy and how silly this thing looks, but it makes a lot of money. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can generate viral content like this and use it to make money from the comfort of your home. So if this is something that you're interested in, please come closer and let's dive in. Now to get started, we're going to visit teaser.app. I'm going to leave the link in the description so you can get to the platform very fast. And this is an amazing tool that you can use to automate viral faceless pages that grow for you. Now, as you can see, you can use it to create content for TikTok, YouTube Short, Instagram, and even Facebook Reels. Now, how cool is this? Now, if you scroll down, you're going to see a whole lot of creators that are using this tool to make a lot of money from the comfort of their home. And all these videos that you're seeing here that made all this money, as you can see, this one got 2.4 million views and he earned $1,400. And the most interesting part is that all these videos you're seeing right here took less than 2 minutes to generate, and you can see how much they are earning. This one got 6.7 million views and he earned $2,842. Now, how cool is this? Now, to get started, all you have to do is to click on login to log into your account, or you go ahead and sign up if you're not signed up already. And once you're in, you're going to see a lot of options here. This one is Sora 2 if you want to generate viral videos, viral footages, all those viral videos that you see on YouTube, you see on Facebook, you see on Instagram. This is what people use to generate it, and you're going to have access to Sora 2 as long as you have an account with Teaser. And the next one is Smart Cut Clips. Now, you're going to pick the most viral clips from just a YouTube link or a video file and add subtitles with the power of AI. Now, the AI is going to run through the video and pick the viral moments from that video, put subtitles, and it will be ready for you to post on your social media accounts. And the next one is Streamer Clipper. Find interesting and engaging clips from your favorite streamers and add titles and subtitles to them with the classic blurred background. Now, how cool is this? And Ready Story is one of the tools that blow my mind because you can create wholesome or scary stories using AI voices to introduce and narrate the clip, then continue into the video with a background clip. Now, how cool is this? And the one that brought us all here, the one I want to teach you in this video, is how to create a text story. That is a text message conversation. Very popular format on TikTok. Create engaging stories with the AI and then let the voices narrate the story. Now, how cool is this? And another one, this one is a fun one. Don't say the same thing again. Create a fun, engaging quiz style video. Make sure to include lots of twists and turns to keep the viewer engaged. Now, this is incredible tool that you can use to do a lot of things. As long as you are looking to make money online from the comfort of your home, as long as you're looking to make money as a content creator without ever showing your face, then this tool is one tool that you need to get your hands on. And to create the text message story video, all you have to do is to come under generate videos. Of course, you're going to see Sora 2, Smart Cut Clips, Streamer Clipper, Reddit Story, text message story. Now, before I show you how to use the text message story, let me quickly show you how you can use the Reddit story. So if you come over to Reddit story, now this is where you're going to paste in your script. That is your story script. Now, I wouldn't even advise that you pick stories from ChatGPT or Gemini because it won't give you a very good story. All you have to do is to go over to Reddit, find interesting stories. There are interesting, incredible, mind-blowing, shocking stories on Reddit. Now, all you have to do is copy any of the story, paste it here, and you're good to go. Now, how cool is this? So now let's go over to text message story creation. And to do that, all we have to do is to come over to text story, click on text story, and here you're going to have text message story. Now, pay attention to what I'm about to say right now, because if you make the mistake, you're going to mess the whole thing up. Now, there is a message, right? The body of the message, which is this, and you can see alignment, okay? Now, there's a left alignment and there's a right alignment. So the right alignment should be you when you're texting somebody on your phone, right? If you go over to your text message, the right part is you, the left part is whoever you're having a conversation with. That's the way it makes it very real. So pay attention to that. Now, all you have to do is to paste in the text message conversation for the right. That is your own text message conversation. And the next one is the left, the response from the text message, right? The response that you get when you send out a text message. And to do that, we're going to click on add left. So here we have right, we have left, we have right, we have left. So you can keep going like that, keep adding and keep adding till you get your full content. And of course, the text will have to add text. Then when it gets to uploading image, if you want image at any point, you can go ahead and upload image and you're good to go. You can upload an image to show, let's say you're showing I saw somebody that looks like you around Times Square, and then you send a picture of the person. So that is also achievable on this tool. But the truth is, we are going to be generating hundreds and thousands of videos, and we will not have that kind of time to start putting the story one after the other, the conversation one after the other, and that is where generate script with AI comes in. And to do this, all we have to do is to come over to ChatGPT or Gemini. I love using Gemini a lot because it's more details when it comes to things like this. So come over to Gemini, and we're going to come to our prompt library. By the way, I'm going to leave the link to this prompt library in the description, so you can go ahead and copy it and paste it and use it to get whatever you want. But be sure to tweak it. You can simply say generate 20 or generate 30 or generate 50, and then you have to be specific. You can change any of these things here, or you can even tell Gemini to change this prompt for you to something more exciting or something more horror or something more romantic or something like that, right? And it's going to do just that for you. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this prompt, and I'm going to come over to Gemini, okay? And here, I'm going to go ahead and paste it like so. Now, you can choose any of these niches. It could be shock, it could be horror. You can do one type of story so that people know you for this. So if you want to do heartbreak stories, so people know that your page is about heartbreak stories. Now, there's no limit to how many pages you can run with this, especially if you have a TikTok shop. I've done a lot of tutorials about TikTok shop and how you can make money using TikTok shop. I'm going to leave the link in the description to the tutorial, or you can go ahead and click here to watch it, of course, after watching this video, so you can learn everything that you need to know on how to do a TikTok shop. And trust me, With this tool, you can generate amazing pages that you can use to make money. So you're not just going to be making money from the creators program, you're going to be making money from TikTok shop, affiliate marketing, and so many more. Now, the good thing about this is you can have a dedicated page for a particular type of niche. It could be shock, heartbreak, betrayal, jealousy, humor, regret, romance, suspense, or relatable awkwardness. Let people know you for this type of story so that all the content on your page will be about horror. So you have horror fans so that anybody, any company, any brand that wants to collaborate with you that are horror inclined or heartbreak inclined or shock inclined would always reach you faster and easier. And the good part is it will help you have lots of pages instead of just having everything cramped into one page and then having to run the risk of losing one page and then you will lose your income. So it's best for you to spread it out. So I'm only using this for the purpose of this tutorial. So all you have to do is to just pick one out of this and let it generate that for you. So we're going to go ahead and send it and let Gemini generate our storylines for us. All right, so now you can see it's done generating the viral story concept for us. And all you have to do is to just copy and paste and you're good to go. And to do that, all we have to do is to just copy it one after the other. So we're going to copy this number one right now, like so. And we're going to come over to teaser and we're going to ignore this first part. Okay, we're going to ignore this first part and we're going to just paste that here. So the accidental roast. An employee complains about their toxic boss only to realize they sent the text message to the boss instead of their work bestie. Now, how cool is this? All right, so we're going to go ahead and click on generate. To have it generate the text messages, you will see how automatically it's going to fill up this place. And voila, you can see it has filled up the text message conversation space. Come on, now how cool is this? This is mind-blowing and I love it so much. It's already coming out great. Now, this is all you have to do for this segment. Let me call it segment. Okay, so the next part is to click on move forward. Now, number 2, page 2, all you have to do is to upload your image. So if you want to upload your image, all you have to do is to come right here, or whatever image that you want to use is just totally fine. So let me just randomly upload this AI generated image like so. And then the contact name, we can just leave it unknown, okay? Because we are not sure of the number that we're texting. We're just texting a random number that we think is our colleague, but it happens to be the boss, right? So here, you're going to select text theme. This one is for the iPhone and this one is for Android. For the purpose of the tutorial, I'm just going to leave it like this. And then for message reveal, I love using slide. So to reveal the message, I love using slide. You know, it slides down instead of jump cuts and all of that. So for animation, I'm just going to leave it as so. You can go ahead and add drop shadow or you can remove it. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to, turn it off. Then the next thing, we're going to click on move forward. And now you can choose any style that you want. You can use Minecraft, Trackmania, Riders, Subway Surfers, Cooking, Mario Kart. Any type you want is totally fine, or you can even choose the green screen. Let's say you have your own background. Maybe you play Call of Duty, or you want to use your video, or you want to use a footage or whatever. You can simply use this green background, and then you're going to remove the green background and replace it with any video footage that you want on CapCut or any video editing tool. This is something that you can easily do in less than 5 seconds. And you're done with it. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to go ahead and select this cooking, okay? We're going to select this cooking, and here we can simply preview it here. Now this looks amazing already. Now how cool is this? Now I don't want to reveal it yet because I want to take you to the next page, which is the audio page. Now this is where you select the voiceover for the speech, okay? Because it's not just the text that will be showing, there is a voice to it. So for this conversation, there will be the staff voice and then there will be the boss's voice. So you're going to select the voice for the two participants or the two people that are having the conversation. And to do that, all we have to do is to select the left voice. And remember, like I said at the beginning, the left voice is the person that is receiving the message, right? The person that you're texting, and the right voice is you, okay? So you have to differentiate that, especially when it's a female and male conversation, so that you don't mix it up, right? So here, we're going to select left. All right, so if you click on here,
Our distrust is very expensive.
you can listen to the voice and pick the one that you like. So for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to select Brian for the boss's voice, and then we're going to compress this, and for the right voice, that is your voice or the sender's voice, we're going to select a random voice as well. Let's make it a male voice as well.
I'm not interested in age.
So let's go ahead and choose this Indian voice for the staff. Now, if you want the voice too fast, if you want it very fast, you can move this slider forward. And if you want it to speak slowly, you move it backward. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to leave it as it is. We are going to leave it on 1x, but you can reduce it or increase it however you want. But whichever way you want, all you have to do is to increase the slider and play it. If it sounds right to you, then you're good to go. But I don't see any need for you to fast forward it. Unless the video is longer than 1 minute, then you can go ahead and fast forward it. And trust me, people are going to watch it. If you check out some of these channels and pages that I showed you, you can see there's a lot of fast forwarded voices there, and people are watching it. It's still going viral, and they're still making money from the comfort of their home, just like you are going to start making, especially when you like this video, so that more people can see this video and benefit from it the same way you're benefiting from it. And it also serves as a means for me to know that you like my kind of content and you want me to create more content like this. It's an encouragement. So please encourage me to encourage you. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is to click on move forward. All right, and here we're going to go ahead and export our video. All right, so once you click on export, you're going to give it some time to export your video, convert your video, put the voiceovers and everything, and you're good to go. And now you can see that it's done generating our video, and let's go ahead and play it back and have a feel.
Thinks I have nothing better to do than color coordinate his staple.
Hello. Staplers. Seriously?
Now, how cool is this? This is mind-blowing. And what I want to bring to your attention is this background video is not copyrighted. So you're not going to get any copyright claim or get penalized for using the background video. And they don't repeat the same background for everyone. So you're not going to be seeing the background everywhere, that viral background. You're not going to be seeing it anywhere but on your page. So this is something that I would like to point out. Now, once you're done, all you have to do is to click on download video to download the video to your device, and you're good to go. And the incredible thing I love about Teaser is that once you sign up with Teaser, you don't have to have a subscription. You're going to get a page audit. That is, their team of experts is going to audit your pages. So if you have an Instagram page, TikTok page, Facebook page, even YouTube channel, they're going to look at your channel and your pages and tell you what you're doing wrong, what you're doing right, what you need to do, what you need to act on, the type of content to post so that you can potentially go viral, and everything you need to do on your page. This is without having a subscription. Now, if you now have a subscription, with them, and the subscription is quite very affordable, monthly or annual subscription, anyone that you have, if you have a subscription with them, you're going to get a one-on-one mentorship with their algorithm expert. Now, the algorithm expert is going to have a one-on-one coaching session with you where they're going to teach you everything that you need to do to increase your chances of going viral. You might even see me there in one of the sessions, right? But the good thing is these people are invested in making sure that you succeed, because when you succeed, you're going to keep your subscriptions active. And when you don't, you're not going to have a subscription. So it's a win-win for everybody. And the one that blows my mind is that to prove to you that they want you to succeed and start making money from the comfort of your home, apart from the one-on-one consultation, the page audits, apart from the coaching sessions, the one-on-one coaching sessions, they are also going to give you 1 month free subscription when you don't get return on investment with the videos you generated with their platforms. Now, I've tested and used hundreds and thousands of AI tools, but I've never seen any AI tool give this type of assurance. And that is why immediately I found out about the tool, I used it, it worked for me. I had to come on this channel to share it with you so you can jump on it and start creating viral video. But what I want to bring to your attention is that you don't upload one video and expect to go viral or expect to make thousands of dollars, it needs consistency and it needs lots of videos. So you need to create lots of videos to be able to go viral and to be able to make a serious amount of money. If you go through the pages that I shared with you, you can see that they have hundreds and hundreds of videos on their pages. So everything works together if you know exactly what you're going to do and what you need to do. And that is why you have this video as your guide, and that is also why you have the teaser team as your mentors and coaches, so that at the end of the day, you're not just going to make your money back, but you're going to be making a lot of money from the comfort of your home. So go ahead and try out teaser using the link in my description and thank me later. And if you're looking to learn how you can create AI model, that is AI model agency, AI model that will be making a lot of money for you from the comfort of your home, then this video is the next video that I'm going to recommend for you to watch, so that you can learn everything that you need to know on how to create an influencer model. So go ahead and watch it and thank me later.